Estevar, how's the process going for you?
It's going well, man. Just ready for it to be over with, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
What are you hearing so far?
Who knows? No expectations, really. Just looking forward to getting this out the way.
Good. Which, of all the defensive positions and maneuvers you've been asked to do, what's your favorite to do?
I think I'm most comfortable standing up in the 3-4. That's what I've been doing the last couple of years.
Right.
So, but anywhere I end up, anything I end up doing is going to be fairly new. So I'm looking forward to it.
What was your best game? Oh, go ahead. That's what.
Giants haven't needed that linebacker. How likely is it that you may end up here?
I have no idea. Hopefully I do. I gotta wait and see.
How much contact have you had with him in the last week?
Not too much. Not too much. The other team's really kind of quiet. We'll see.
Anthony, anything with the Jets? Any contact?
No, I haven't spoke with them. Not for some time now. So, like I said, it's kind of a waiting game.
Marquise Lee was over there talking about at the thing at the park. They were talking about how kind of exhausting this whole process is.
Right.
Oh no, back in Wisconsin, but you kind of feel like you're almost a product.
Yeah, no, you kind of feel like a piece of meat really getting poked and prodded at, evaluated on all different types of levels. But it's the process, kind of got to respect it, and hopefully the best comes from that.
I was going to say, not that bad knowing there's something pretty good on the end.
Well, I mean, it's all for a good cause. I'm going to better myself and my family, so I'm looking forward to just getting the opportunity.
Dad played in the NFL.
Yeah.
He played for the Eagles?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Tony Brooks.
So what do you know about Philadelphia?
Not much. I've been there once or twice. I'm not very familiar with the city.
Did you play there long?
Yeah, I think 4 or 5 years. But I was too young, so I couldn't take much.
Interesting. On their end, trading up maybe for you?
That'd be awesome. Like I said, I really don't know, man. I'll do questions, projections. I try to stay away from that. Get my head down, go about my business.
What you gonna do with that card?
Buy some food. I'm starving right now, so maybe when y'all get out of here, I'll have a little piece of myself. Y'all more welcome to join. I'm supposed to be unlimited. Yeah, I got y'all.
So hungry you can eat half a extension.
Yeah, I can probably get this right now. I'll get something a little more fresh.
Do you get to take that home with you?
I don't think so. I think he's about to fall apart today now. Probably not. I don't think he's going to make the flight back.
It needs a seat into itself, right?
Right, you know? He's fly first class when he's back, big move.
Right.
Research you've done personally, different teams, different schemes, thinking about where you might fit.
Not too much, because you never know where you're going to end up going, so I feel like it might be a waste of time, really. So I'm just sitting back and waiting.
What is the biggest challenge? You mentioned the 3-4, but also maybe bumping up to the 4-3. What is the biggest thing you have to do if you're going to be able to play?
I just think just use my hands better, be able to get off blocks, it's kind of moves during pass rush, things like that. Things that are so new to me just because I've only been playing the position for such a short amount of time. So things that I'll get better at as I get more practice.
Do you think that hurts projections when teams are trying to fit you in because you are so new?
I don't know. I'll get caught up in all that, man. I'll control what I can control. Projections, that's not me.
Hey, what are you going to miss about UCLA?
My teammates, my coaches, I had a really good relationship with those guys, and it was a really good 4 years there together. So I think just the relationships in that locker room is what I'm going to miss the most.
2 years ago, when you were still playing running back, did you ever foresee yourself making the NFL as a linebacker?
Nah, man, not really. It's kind of crazy how this all came about. It's been quite the journey, really. So I'm blessed, very humbled to be in this situation, talking to y'all. So I'm just kind of taking it in stride,
What went into your decision to kind of just watch it from home with your family at the draft?
It's a big, I got a big family, a lot of supporters, a lot of people that helped me get to this stage. So I felt I look to them, to be with them, and just enjoy the moment with them.
Heading out tonight, California?
Back to LA in about a couple hours. Wrap up here. I'm back on the flight, back home.
Anthony, to have such success as a pass rusher after moving really different positions, what was that enabled you to kind of pick it up so quickly and have that defensive mind?
I think it's the mentality. I kind of want to submerge myself in anything I'm doing that I really want to be successful at. I'm going to submerge myself and try to climb up the best I can. I think I was able to have some success pretty quick.
What came easier, the drop and cover or the hitting the quarterback?
Going forward, dropping coverage was all new. Because on offense, you're always going for it, makes people miss. So that was a little more natural. Got back in the coverage into his zone, to look up a man, stuff like that was real.
So do you still think maybe compared to a 3-4 that you've been doing it for years, you have to catch up on polish or?
Yeah, there's a lot of guys catch up on me. Like I said, I'm real new to the position still. So everything I do, anywhere I go, is going to be in a situation for me. It's going to be a learning curve. I got to do my best to make that a little easy.
Would you say you're a quick learner?
I I think so. Yeah. Can you make a sandwich right there? No.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Hey, Anthony, I can ask you, what are you going to miss about playing against Cal?
Probably beating them.
That's what Andrew Luck said last year.
No, I was kidding. I only beat them one time when I was there, you know. So I like playing at that stadium though. Their new place is very nice.
Cool. Hey, thanks a lot.
No problem, man.